Hello guys! Welcome to MendzTV!
Hello! Welcome back to MendzTV. And para dun sa mga bagong nanonood, welcome sa inyo. Nandito kami ngayon, kakapark lang namin sa mall. Kasi maghahanap kami ng dairy-free snacks for Jedy. Kung hindi nyo kasi nalalaman, si Jedy, yung anak namin, allergic siya sa milk. So, hindi siya pwedeng basta-basta kumain ng mga pagkain may milk. Kailangan dairy-free yung snacks niya. Since he's growing na, naghahanap na siya ng ibang mga makakain na pagkain, pupunta kami ngayon ng healthy options kasi nakita ko na search namin na marami dong mga dairy-free food. So, tara, let's go na. Let's go inside. Hello! So, nakauwi na kami. Nakapamili na kami from healthy options. Siyempre, always remember, when you get home, from groceries or from the mall, kailangan mag-sanitize tayo. Maligo at isanitize natin yung mga pinamili natin para iwas tayo sa COVID-19. Okay, so, let's start. Papakita na namin yung mga pinamili namin sa healthy options. So, ito na yung mga pinamili namin from healthy options na dairy-free snacks for Jedy. So, papakita ko na isa-isa. This one is from Enjoy Life. It's handcrafted soft-baked cookies na chocolate chip. The next one, it's from Pamela's. It's called Simple Bites Extreme Chocolate Mini Cookies. Then the third one, it's triple-free vegan cookies na lemon vanilla flavor. And the last one is from Enjoy Life again. It's chocolate bars RiceMilk crunch. So ito yung mga na-research namin sa website ng Healthy Options at ito yung mga binili namin sa store nila kanina. So later, ipapakita namin sila isa-isa, then ipapa-taste test natin kay Jedy kung ano yung product na magugustuhan niya. Our first product is the Enjoy Life chocolate flavored confectionery bars RiceMilk crunch flavor. Smooth and creamy siya, allergy-friendly. Aside from dairy-free, free din siya from wheat, peanuts, tree nuts, dairy, casein, soy, egg, sesame, sulfites, lupin, mustard, fish, shellfish, and crustaceans. It is made in the USA and it costs 179 pesos.
179 pesos? Ang cheap naman nun.
For our next product, it's Simple Bites Extreme Chocolate Mini Cookies by Pamela's. It's gluten-free and non-dairy. Extreme Chocolate Cookies, certified gluten-free by GFCO, non-GMO, non-dairy, no hydrogenated oils, or no added artificial trans fats. Deliciously crunchy chocolate cookie made with real cocoa. It is made in the USA and it costs 310 pesos. For our third product, it's called the Triple Free Vegan Cookies Lemon Vanilla Flavor from Saint Amour. It's sugar-free, dairy-free, and gluten-free. It is made in the USA and it costs 279 pesos. And last but not the least is the Enjoy Life's handcrafted soft-baked cookies chocolate chip flavor. Katulad ng chocolate bar nila kanina, aside from dairy-free siya, it is also gluten-free, wheat-free, peanuts, tree nuts, casein, soy, egg, sesame, sulfites, lupin, mustard, fish, shellfish, and crustaceans free. It is also made in the USA. Pero sa lahat ng nabili namin, ito yung pinakamahal. It costs 359 pesos. So ito yung unang cookie na gustong tikman ni Jedy. Yung Simple Bites Extreme Chocolate Mini Cookies by Pamela's. So excited ka na, Jedy?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's open it.
Yes.
You want to open? Let's open the top. Wow, it's Smells good, ah. Let's get one. Wow! It's like dark chocolate, no?
Yep.
No? If we break it into two, it's crumbly. Crumbly siya. Hindi siya soft baked cookie. So, do you want to try? Sarap? So, ang next naman natitikman ni Jedy, itong triple-free vegan cookies lemon vanilla flavor. Let's open it.
Let's open.
Oh, may packaging pa pala sa loob.
It's like look like eggs.
Parang ganun. So, it is not soft baked din. So, pag binrake natin, hindi yun siya soft baked. Medyo matigas. Ay, hindi. Soft baked pa siya. Oh, hindi. It's also a hard cookie. So,
Eat it?
yeah, you try it. Do you like it?
It's a little hard. It's like a rock.
How about the taste? How does it taste?
Hard.
Okay, so let's try this one. The Enjoy Life Handcrafted Soft Baked Cookie Chocolate Chip Flavor. Okay? So open it.
Whoa. Correct.
Wow!
Also package.
Chocolate chip flavor. Napaka-rare ng chocolate chip cookie tapos dairy-free. Kaya
Yes.
sana masarap ito, no? Let's
I
try.
like the hard one.
Later. Yeah.
Wow.
Oops. It's soft bake. Malambot siya.
Where's the ground?
Okay. Oh, you try.
Try. What is it soft?
It's soft bake cookie.
It's good like a muffin.
Ah, delicious.
It's like a banana muffin.
It's a banana muffin with chocolate chip.
Eat it.
Later. You first.
It's good.
So, last but not the least, we're going to try the Enjoy Life's Chocolate Bar RiceMilk Crunch flavor. First time ni Jeding makakatikim ng chocolate bar. Kasi, bihira sa groceries yung dairy-free na chocolate bar eh. Puro cookies lang, mostly locally made cookies. So, let's open it. Try it.
That's tasty than the other ones. Open.
Wow! Chocolate bar talaga siya. It's kinda... taste it. Melt it first in your mouth before you bite. No, not like...
Ay! What did you say?
Okay, it's like you lick it first to make it soft. Then later, bite it na. Then chew it na. Ano? Sige, you bite it na. Para... How does it taste?
This is a laway.
It's okay. Masarap?
It's really a bar.
Yeah, it's a chocolate bar. Sarap?
Oh, yeah.
Yep.
Eat this.
No, later. So, Jenny, what do you like most from these snacks?
This one.
This one, the lemon vanilla cookie.
Yes.
What's your number one is?
This one.
This one. What's your number two?
This one.
The Enjoy Life's Soft Baked Chocolate Chip Cookie. Your
Yes.
number three, what's your number three?
This one.
The Simple Bites Extreme Chocolate Cookie. And the last one is the chocolate bar. Okay guys, so I hope you've got an idea from us para sa mga mami na may anak na allergic sa dairy. Sana nagka-idea kayo kung ano yung mga dapat bilhin. notifications. So next time, we will feature yung mga locally made cookies na dairy-free naman. Yung mga budget-friendly. Kasi right now, itong mga cookies na to, nasa medyo mahal, di ba? Hindi naman pwedeng laging bilhin yung mga ganito. Kaya susunod, maghahanap tayo ng mga locally made cookies na dairy-free at yung budget-friendly. Okay, so Jedy, let's say goodbye na. Please
Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the notification.
Thank
Bye-bye.
you. Bye-bye.